Welcome now on the phone, Dan Ives, Wedbush Securities Managing Director of Equity Research. He has a neutral rating on Tesla with a $220 price target. I think that's down from where you were, isn't it, Dan?
Yeah, we were at 230, and look, I view last night as a major step back for Tesla in terms of its profitability and ultimately business model, which is really going to be a big focus today as the bears take hold.
Yeah, Dan, one thing that struck me about it is people were concerned about the extent of demand for the Model 3 in particular. Is there enough demand? Well, they've proven now that if you cut the costs, you can sell more. I'm not sure that's an innovation.
I mean, if the coffee shop down the street cut coffee to 30 cents, they'd sell a lot more coffee. Well, so and that's the fundamental problem, is that can the business model be profitable at this level? And last night, the big thing was gross margin. And that really was, I think, the silver bullet, and it's going to be the focus. And I think it calls into question their business model. Can it be profitable?
Well, exactly. You can't make it up on volume if you're losing money on every single car. And actually, it's been going the wrong direction. The margins on these cars have been going down. So what can they do to turn this around? We heard Elon Musk say he's hoping he's going to be profitable at least toward the end of the year. But hope is not a plan.
Yeah, and I think that's been the problem, is that they've pushed profitability further out. And they talk about things like self-driving and robo-taxis as areas where maybe that could become profitable over time. And I think that is the worry for investors, is that there needs to be meat on the bone, how they can be profitable based on the current business model. And I think 4Q, and ultimately even the overall demand picture, the 360 to 400K, in our opinion, that's an Everest-like uphill battle to hit those numbers.
Hey, Dan, is Tesla still a growth stock?
Look, I think it's a complex question, because it's a growth stock in terms of the Model 3, in terms of that component. In terms of overall, I think you're starting to see the bloom come off the rose in terms of as a growth stock, which is why profitability, cash flow is so much more important. They didn't deliver that last night, and that's the issue.